Today, we're diving into the world of self-defense gadgets. We've handpicked some unique and effective gadgets that you can get your hands on right now. From compact pistols to wrist crossbows, we've got it all. As usual, links to all gadgets are in the description below. Behold, a true marvel of simplicity. This pistol is unlike anything you've seen before, with only 24 parts. What makes it even more incredible is that anyone can 3D print and assemble it at home. That's right, for just $30, you can access the 3D files and instructions online. If you don't have a 3D printer, no worries. You can simply order it online pre-assembled. It's designed for single-shot 22mm caliber bullets and can fire both blank and live rounds. This wrist-mounted weapon looks like something straight out of a video game. Introducing the TRIPLE Arrow Wrist Crossbow. This crossbow takes things to the next level with its triple-decker design. While it may seem unusual, it actually increases your chances of hitting the target. Made with high-carbon steel limbs and latches, the weapon is built to last. The arrow retention system utilizes an old spring from a drill press, and the trigger is ingeniously crafted from a bike brake. With its steel construction and adjustable forearm mount, this crossbow is ready for action. Here's an eye-catching self-defense tool, the FH Brass. This custom piece is a real conversation starter. With a full titanium body, brass accents and spikes, it's truly a work of art. Don't worry though, it's not as intimidating as it looks. Weighing just over a pound and measuring around 10 inches, it's more like a small baton than a medieval weapon. Crafted with precision, the FH Brass features stainless steel inlays, small spikes, and a hidden spike. Each unit even comes with a solid aluminium base and a certificate of authenticity. But act fast, as this limited run of only 20 pieces won't last long. Don't let its innocent appearance fool you. This discreet Ninja Keychain packs an actual punch. Made of machined aluminium, it's lightweight and durable. Perfect for both men and women, it's designed for quick jabs, pressure points, and even eye gouging. With its solid steel construction and side spikes, it's a formidable weapon that fits in the palm of your hand. Plus, its compact size allows you to conveniently carry it anywhere you go. This lightweight shield measures 18.5 inches in length and is perfect for hiding in backpacks, cars, or bicycles. Made from high-strength aluminium alloy, the arm shield offers excellent impact resistance and protection. The arm guard features a 4mm thick aluminium alloy plate and 3 serrated high-strength zinc-manganese alloy bars, ensuring highly effective defense. The tactical head, made of tungsten steel and diamond, provides impressive penetrating power. What's more, it's breathable, light, and easy to wear, with adjustable Velcro straps for a secure fit. According to the manufacturer, this is the most affordable flamethrower on the market. This lightweight and easy-to-use device is designed to bring the thrill of controlled flames to your outdoor activities. With its compact size and user-friendly operation, the XM42 Lite is perfect for a range of occasions. Just charge the battery, fill the tank with gas or a gas-diesel blend, ignite it, and unleash the flame, reaching up to 33 feet. It's guaranteed to make your 4th of July, brush burning, and birthday parties unforgettable. This 2-in-1 survival tool that combines a knife and a slingshot is crafted with a stainless steel blade and an anodized all-aluminium alloy handle. This versatile gadget is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for various outdoor situations. Switching between knife and slingshot is a breeze. With a simple press of a button, the folding mechanism activates, allowing you to quickly transform it. The durable aluminium alloy construction ensures it can withstand demanding conditions, while the flexible and resilient red rubber provides accurate and powerful shots. It even comes with a practical case and bullets for easy storage and transportation. This patented circular design takes slingshot performance to a whole new level. It offers rapid loading and shooting up to 2 to 3 times faster than a regular slingshot. The Pocket Shot's cone-shaped latex pouch, secured to a fibre-reinforced composite ring, delivers incredible power. It can reach speeds of up to 350 feet per second, making it a force to be reckoned with. Don't be fooled by its small size. It can hold its own against conventional slingshots. Plus, it conveniently stores ammunition in its watertight compartment. This is a game changer in the world of pistol crossbows. This lightweight and ultra-fast crossbow offers the highest rate of fire among repeating crossbows. It's perfect for close quarters situations, providing surprising power. What sets it apart is the range of customization options. You can equip it with a red dot sight for precision at greater distances, or a laser and light combo for low light conditions. With different limb options and specialized bolts, you can adapt it to various applications. Made with high-quality polymer, this crossbow is robust and reliable, delivering accuracy up to 25 meters. It's the lightest crossbow gun on the market. This nifty gadget is portable and provides an additional layer of privacy and security for hinged doors that open inwards. It's incredibly easy to install and remove within seconds, making it ideal for travel or added protection at home. Made from chrome-plated carbon steel, Addalock's unique design allows it to fit various door thicknesses. Simply insert the claws into the strike plate, close the door, and you're good to go. With Addalock, you and your loved ones can feel safe and secure wherever you are. Each Addalock comes with a convenient travel pouch. This slim case adds just 5mm to your phone's thickness and weighs a mere 89 grams. But don't let its size fool you. It houses 22 high-quality steel tools you need for everyday tasks. From pliers to spoke wrenches, a saw, screwdrivers, and even a bottle opener, TaskOne has got you covered. It's the perfect companion for travelers who want utility at their fingertips. Plus, you can easily convert it into a kickstand for hands-free video watching. Welcome to the new era of utility iPhone cases. This hidden gem that combines ingenuity with self-defense, the DIY shoe knife. Inspired by a creative YouTube project, this gadget takes the Smith & Wesson Black Oxide OTF assisted opening grey pocket knife to a whole new level. With this knife, you can attach it to your shoe, just like the Joker's boots. By dragging your feet on the ground, you can activate and release the knife swiftly. It offers tactical functionality with a slender profile, a black finish, and a double-edged dagger blade. The grey aluminium handles provide a secure grip, and it even has an integrated glass breaker pommel, a pocket clip, and a safety lock. It's a truly impressive and formidable tool.